am seeing the end of the Champions League. Italy, Inter Milan. England, Arsenal. Spain, Barcelona. France, Paris Saint-Germain. Spain is defeating Italy. England is playing against France. That is the final before the final of the Champions League. It's a stiff battle, fierce battle between France and England. I am seeing an elongated time. But at the end, I am seeing PSG prevailing. And I'm seeing Spain and France in the final. But I'm seeing France close to it. But I saw Spain snatching it.
Commander General of the Prophetic Kingdom.